Hi boys and girls, it's Mrs. Giordano. Today in Writer's Workshop we're going to talk about adding events leading to the solution in our fairy tales. We've talked about the problem and the solution, and we've talked about how the problem is caused by the villain and puts the hero/heroine in trouble, while the solution is what needs to be done to fix the problem. So, today we will learn how to add details in solving our character's problem. When you add details, you put the step-by-step way how to solve the problem by making the good win over the evil. For example, Snow White fell asleep, and we know that the solution is for her to wake up. For her to wake up, there are things that happen before she just will wake up by herself. So first, the seven dwarves built a bed of snow for Snow White and laid her there. Then the prince came into the forest and saw Snow White. And then next, the prince fell in love with Snow White and gave her a kiss. And finally, Snow White woke up. So, if you remember when I talked about the problem and solution in my fairy tale, I said that Tricella got locked in the witch's house. She didn't get out. She didn't just get out magically. There are events that happened before she got out of this house. Okay? So the problem that I had in my fairy tale was that my heroine, Princess Tricella, is very beautiful, and the evil witch is very ugly. So the evil witch came and took Tricella away because she wants to have Tricella's beauty. Okay, so just like I said before, there's events leading up into how something is going to be solved. So I wanted to share that with you today. So when you go into Seesaw, you're going to see something just like this. You're going to see events that lead to the solution. You're going to write down your problem that you created for your character. Then you're going to add today the events that are going to lead to that solution. So I wanted to share mine with you. Okay, so I just read you the problem, but here's event 1. The evil witch takes Tricella and maybe locks her up in a tower in her old house. In event 2, Elfrin, who is her helper, waves his wand, or she waves her wand, and asks to be brought to where Tricella is. Event 3, Elfrin and the evil witch fight using their magic wands, because remember, my villain and my little helper, their magic element is their wands. And the solution is Elfrin wins and gets the key from the witch and is able to then go up and rescue Tricella. So today, when you are thinking about what are those events that are leading to how your hero or heroine is going to, how are they going to solve that problem at the end, and who is going to help them? So today on Seesaw, you're going to be filling that paper out that says events leading to the solution. Remember, I want you to always be writing in your writer's notebooks, because then you're going to be able to go back to your notes when we begin to write our fairy tale, because we are super close to doing that. So today you're going to write down your problem, what are those 3 events, and your solution. Okay? If it's too hard to come up with 3, at least try 2. All right, boys and girls, we can't wait to see your events leading to your solution today. Have a good day.